as of this moment, nasa top 1, 3, at 5 ang Burn the Flame na kanta ng SB19 with Honor of Kings in collaboration with the popular game Honor of Kings. Isa tong mobile game kagaya ng ML. Kaso dito, mas malaki yung prize pool. $3 million yung prize pool sa Honor of Kings. So sila yung mayaman. May pera dyan. Samantalang sa ML, rinig ko, hindi ako sure. Parang diamonds na lang yung prize pool nila. So in-game ano na lang, in-game money na lang yung prize pool. Hindi ako sure kung ganun pa rin ngayon. Balita ko yun yung prize pool nila. So napakayaman ng Honor of Kings. So, syempre, sinong kukunin nila? Kasi matatalino at malupit na game ito. SB19 ang kukunin nila, syempre. Wala nang iba. So, catching to sa SB19. And, kami na Commander, nilaro na namin itong Honor of Kings nung before pa siya lumabas sa Play Store dito sa Pilipinas. Dinownloadan siya ni Commander, tapos siya yung nagsabi sa akin na try natin to, mahal. Ang mahal! Ang mundo ko ay naging Yun nga, nilaro namin siya, then suddenly nagka-work na siya, so busy na, tapos ako na-addict na sa Grow a Garden. So, labas yun sa usapan. So, that's the intro. Congratulations, SB19. Number 1, 3, at 5 sa iTunes ngayon, tong game song. Ha? Honor of Kings. Nasa game ng SB19, ha? Basher, ano ka? De, joke lang. Wala na tayong paki sa basher, men. Ha? Wala silang pakialam. Okay. So, this is entitled Burn the Flame. Ano? Dang, man. Wow. Okay, so this is big deal. Ha? Kasi napakayaman ng game na ito. $3 million. I-times mo yun sa 58 kung ano man yung peso ngayon. Yun yung prize pool ng mananalo sa mga tour na nila ngayon. My God. Okay, so papakinggan natin ngayon yung soundtrack ba yung tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. Burn the Flame, SB19. Excited na ako. Okay, record na yung hayop na yan. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, baka naman, boss, master, please. So, play ko na. Huwag kang mag-alala. Okay, recorded. Turn on the volume of this one. Alright, man. It's pretty exciting, yeah? Okay, so, play.
Yeah, I'm ready for work, yeah, I'm ready for putting in the top grind, all my squad is pop gallant. No words are needed for trust, we got the confidence. See you flicking, slipping now, how you couldn't copy this. Notice that bit, I be ready all the time. Get it now, take a breath. Yeah, my plate is with the dinners, you can pay the price.
Wait lang, dumayo si Pacific. Wow, okay, so ini-imagine ko nag-game ako. Kasi gamer din naman ako, naglalaro ako ng Call of Duty. Madaming games na nilalaro ko, Mobile Legends, Honor of Kings, madami pa. So, i-imagine natin na nagigame tayo, nakakataas ng adrenaline, no? Okay, napakaganda so far, yung beat, napakalupet. Laro din ako dati ng ano ba yung mga PC games, yung mga gera-gera din, ano ba yan? Rules of Survival, kung alam niyo yon. Okay? Bookworm. Di nyo alam yun. Millennial lang nakakaalam ng Bookworm. Okay, tuloy.
Yeah, I'm ready for work, yeah, I'm ready for putting in the top grind, all my Yeah, I'm ready for work, yeah, I'm ready for putting in the top grind, all my squad is pop gallant. No words are needed for trust, we got the confidence. See you flicking, slipping now, how you couldn't copy this. Notice that bit, I be ready all the time. Get it now, take a breath. Yeah, my plate is colder than ice, you gon' pay the price. Set the trap, got my body's in the back, you better think it twice. Coming on never,
casting off the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steeper and steeper, I'll step again. We're gonna dream it up high, to live in the skies. You can never stop me fighting on the edge. Every time we fall, we get back again. The chances we're taking won't let us fade out. Now it's prime time, we're ready for the win. I'm a warrior, burning up the flame. Write a story, rebel won't be tamed. Put it up, I'll fight, and I reach for the skies. It's on a prime time, we got
got it, got it.
I'm a warrior, riding for the game. Make it glorious, running for the name. Yeah, we're putting up a fight, cause we kids will never die.
We keep rising high to the sky.
We gotta bring it on.
I gotta be calm, I gotta be strong. It's time to take down all these enemies. My willpower, infinite.
Push the passion to the limits.
Woo! So shoutout pala kay yung mga gamer, alam ko gamers to sila lahat pero shoutout kay Ken Philip, kasi siya may collaboration siya with PUBG. Man, naglaro din kami ng PUBG Mobile ng ate ko, ng mga pinsan ko. PUBG Mobile, well, let's go! Josh Cullen, talagang pro gamer, no? Shoutout sa kanila. Shoutout din sa kay Stel, Justin at Pinuno. Man, alam mo na, nag-game naman tayong lahat, no? Very nice.
We're running the game. We're the breakers, breaking all the ties and borders. Game changers, just sit back and see me conquer.
We'll stack him up, I'm on the killing spree.
Now ain't nobody can stop us, we're chasing the glory and honor.
Casting all the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steeper, step again. We're gonna dream it up high, to live in the sky. You can never stop me fighting on the edge. Every time we fall, we get back again. Chances we're taking won't let us fade out. Now it's prime time, we're ready for the win. Honor. I'm a warrior,
Honor.
up the flame. Write a story, rebel won't be tamed. I'm burning up a fight, and I'm reaching for the sky.
It's on the prime time, we got it, got it.
I'm a warrior, grinding for the game. Make it glorious, running for the name. Yeah, we're putting up a fight, cause we kids will never die.
We keep rising high to the sky.
We gonna bring it honor.
Write our story, give us glory. Gotta take it, all that I can.
Soon enough, you'll know my name. Fortune and fate, we're not the same. Yeah, this is our stage, we dominate. I got lightning running through my veins. Not a trace of fear, my heart eyes burn. Living to flames, all the chains will break in me. So in this battle, we have faith, we on our way. We on. I'm a warrior, burning up the flame. Write a story, a rebel won't be tamed. I'm putting up a fight, and I'm reaching for the skies.
It's on the prime time, we got it, got it.
I'm a warrior, riding for the game. Make it glorious, running for the name. Yeah, we're putting up a fight, cause we kids will never die.
We keep rising high to the sky.
We gotta bring it honor. For honor, we're beating the odds. For honor, we're beating the odds. We got the honor, cause we are the kings. It's honor showtime.
Damn, so that was that. God damn. Wow. That was actually awesome. Not just the idea that SB19 now has a collaboration with a really popular game. A rising star game right now, no? Napakaangas nung beat. The honor. I got the honor. Napakagandang pakinggan, no? With the honor lyrics, hindi ko masyado maintindihan the entirety of that song. Walang lyrics no? Sayang. We could have dove. Ano ba? I could have ano kasi? Itagalog mo kasi. Ha? Sayang, mas lalong mahihimay pa sana natin yung lyrics, but nevertheless, it was awesome. Napakaganda nung, man, the beat was crazy. Importante sa akin yung may mala Tetris na mga background noise doon. Yan yung pinakapunyetang background noise, ha? Dahil sa'yo, yan lang yung pagkakakilanlan ko. Yung lalaki, yung vlogger na may dumadaang eroplano. Ngayon nga, yung may mga parang Tetris siya na alam mo yung maganda yung mga added sound effects ng kanta. Maliban yung beat, man. Kasi importante dito habang nagigame ka. Ito yung siguro habang ino-open mo yung app, yung game na to. Ito ata yung soundtrack doon na maririnig mo. So that definitely was amazing for a motorcycle. Lumayas ka. That's definitely amazing for a mobile game. Napakagandang pakinggan nun habang nagsa-start ng game or habang nagigame ka, yung background music mo. Talagang nakakagana. Very, very nice. So, ang title nito, Burn the Flame. Parang redundant yan, no? Burn mo na, iba-burn mo pa yung flame. Napakaangas pa rin, napakalupit. At ang galing, men. palagi kong sinasabi sana dati yung mga SB19 na song sana maging ano sa movie, parang tunog anime, tunog K-drama, at natupad yung isa sa mga pangarap ko na magkaroon ng ganitong magamit yung kanta ng SB19. Kasi na yung sa movie nagamit na, sa teleserye nagamit na, yung kapangyarihan, yung mapa nagamit na. So eto nagamit na sa game. God damn. So once again, congratulations SB19 and 18 for making this possible. Kayo ang napakalupit, at kung malupit ka din at umabot ka naman dito sa video na to, meaning natuwa ka, kaya i-subscribe mo, maawa ka please. Yan lang, maraming salamat, and as always, this has been Girls Page, and you, Master, have been amazing. Yeah.